For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
With the number of coronavirus cases increasing every day, everyone is taking all the safety measures possible to stop the spread of the virus. From following social distancing norms, washing hands frequently to wearing masks in public places, we are missing out on nothing, right? But the fear of the virus has led to widespread panic, urging people to believe whatever anyone says. Many people believe that keeping items in the sun for extended hours will kill the virus, and washing everything with soap and water, including fruits and veggies, will prevent one from getting infected. But does washing vegetables with soap and water really work? Well, we will tell you. First things first, do not wash the fruits and vegetables with soap and water because all soaps contain formaldehyde, which if consumed can cause an upset stomach. So your good intention of washing the veggies in soap water can actually turn against you. If you are wondering what is the right way to disinfect fruits and vegetables at home, here is a solution for that. You can make a simple solution at home by mixing 1 part of vinegar and 3 parts of water. That solution can be sprayed on vegetables and fruits before rinsing them with clean water. You can also mix 2 tablespoons of salt, half a cup of vinegar and 2 liters of water and soak the vegetables and fruits in the solution for 5 minutes before rinsing them with clean running water. Another method is blanching, which includes immersing the vegetables and fruits in hot water followed by cold water, but remember, don't soak the veggies for more than 3 minutes as it may lose flavor. As per the World Health Organization, you have to ensure 5 things to make sure that the food you eat is safe. The food has to be kept clean, separate raw and cooked. Cook the food thoroughly. Keep the food at safe temperatures and use clean water and raw material to cook. As per the FSSAI guidelines, one can wash fruits and vegetables thoroughly under running tap water, or to be extra cautious, you can put a drop of 50 ppm chlorine in warm water and dip vegetables in it. You can also wash the fruits and vegetables by rubbing them under running water with your hands. You can use a clean brush to scrub the veggies with hard covers like potato, cucumber and melons. This is a simple way to clean it. Avoid consumption of damaged or bruised portions of the fruits or veggies brought from the market. Make sure to wash the vegetables or fruits again before you cut them so that no dirt or bacteria gets transferred to the knife. Do not forget to clean the sink where you clean the fruits and veggies purchased directly from markets. Always use washable bags to bring the fresh produce so that it can be washed. It is also very important to reduce your frequency of going to the market.